Okay, the Spider-Man Brand New Day press tour just wrapped, and I need to talk about it. Because Zendaya and Law Roach did not come to play this time. They came to spin a whole web. The movie hits theaters July 31st. That's tomorrow. And to celebrate, this dream team went full method dressing across every single city. Spiders, webs, archival couture you have to see to believe. And that #1 look? It has a 19-karat sapphire spider sitting on the hip. I am not okay. So this is my best dressed Spider-Man Brand New Day 2026 countdown. Every look top to bottom. And I have opinions. Let's go! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Hello, fashion lovers. Before we dive in, this video contains my personal fashion opinions, so check the description for full disclosures. Look number 1. Okay, look number 1. The Shanghai premiere. Zendaya wore an Atelier Versace gown covered in webs, pulled from the brand's 2016 couture collection. That net-like design outlined in gauzy white fabric, with a daring hip-grazing slit. And then, a spider brooch, covered in diamonds, centered on a 19-karat yellow sapphire, pinned right at the waist, just above the slit. She added a diamond-covered Rolex and stayed in that gothic beauty world with baby bangs. This is theme, couture, and jewelry all landing at once. It is the best dressed look of the entire Spider-Man Brand New Day press tour, and it is not close. Next up, look number 2. At number 2, the UK premiere at the Odeon Luxe Leicester in London. And Zendaya wore an off-white Tamara Ralph couture gown from Fall-Winter 2026, draped in lines of silver sequins forming a striped pattern that built into multi-strand shoulder straps. Then the crown jewel, a gold spider brooch, part of a Karen Wolf web headpiece, plus muawad ring and earrings, soft wavy hair, blush-forward glam. It is regal. It is a premiere look. And now, look number 3. Look number 3, Rome. And Roach said it best. They only wear Italian when in Italy. So Zendaya pulled a vintage spiderweb gown from Giorgio Armani's Spring 1990 collection. Let that land. 1990. Archival. A literal spiderweb woven into the design, styled with Tiffany & Company jewelry. It's restraint, it's history, it's perfect. This is one of the best celebrity style moments of the entire tour. Next up, look number 4. Number 4 is an archival gem, a London photo call, and Zendaya in a celestial John Galliano dress from the Spring 1997 collection. Midnight blue, covered in charms, with a low open back. And here's the show-stopping part. An intricate spiderweb made of chains laid right across the exposed back. 1997 Galliano. On theme, in 2026? That is method dressing at its finest. Next up, look numero 5. At number 5, the Los Angeles premiere. And Zendaya on the blue carpet in a jet black gown from Ashy Studios' Fall-Winter 2026 couture line. This thing is sculptural. A ruffled accordion skirt with plunging neckline and antenna-like shoulder straps that literally nod to the spider. Then the details. Custom spider pumps, Boucheron diamond pendant earrings, and brand new spider bangs up top. The whole look is one cohesive thought. Next up, look number 6. Number 6 is the one everyone was talking about, Paris, where Zendaya and Roach shook things up. Ready? A $35 vintage Marvel tee from the early 2000s, an eBay find, worn as a dress. But here's the flex. She styled that tee with a Rolex, Louboutin heels, and diamond earrings. High-low, thrift meets luxury. And it shouldn't work, but it absolutely does. This is exactly the kind of red carpet risk I live for. Top 5 now. Look number 7. Look number 7, Mexico City. And we're going full gothic. This is an Ashy Studio couture piece from Spring/Summer 2026. An asymmetric black dress, half silk, half intricate lace, hugging every line. And then the floor-grazing fringe hanging off the sleeves as she moves. with spider-shaped earrings from Jacob & Co. and an Elvira-esque bouffant. It's dark, it's glamorous, it's a vamp. Next up, look number 8. At number 8, Rome, and Zendaya diving into fashion history with a Swarovski-encrusted two-piece from Versace's Fall 1997 collection, sourced from the Reb archive. Here's the genius. It's a color block of vibrant red and blue, and with her white heels, she completed a whole flag. Vintage archival dressing with a wink. That's the kind of styling detail that lives in my head rent-free. Keep going. Look number 9. Number 9, Berlin. Custom Louis Vuitton made with Nicolas Ghesquière. And this is a mood. Crafted entirely from black leather. A shrunken waistcoat top paired with a low-rise maxi skirt that has a long, sweeping train. It's part rock star, part red carpet siren, and completely cool. The proportions on this, shrunken up top, floor length down below, chef's kiss. Next up, look number 10. We've hit the top 10, and number 10 went literal. Doing interviews in London, Zendaya wore a semi-sheer rodarte dress with a bedazzled spider sitting right in its web. On the fabric, on theme, on purpose. She layered the puff-sleeved look over trousers, kept her Rolex and her go-to heels, and just committed to the bit. I respect a woman who accessorizes with arachnids. Next up, look number 11. Look number 11, Amsterdam again. And this time, it's fresh off the runway McQueen, Fall 2026. She layered a high-low black opera coat over a sheer slip dress. Asymmetrical hem, delicate white floral appliques, and finished with Staffare jewelry. The drama of that coat over something so sheer, it's the good kind of tension. Runway to red carpet done right. And we're just getting started. Next up, look number 12. At number 12, the Madrid premiere, and Zendaya in Christian Cowan. This is where it gets good. A strapless black gown with a skirt made entirely of fringe. And here's the detail I love. It brought a 1940s silhouette to right now, built from vintage lace and silk actually pulled from that decade. So it's old Hollywood bones with a contemporary Spanish spin. Black pumps, Rolex, Staffare. Next up, look number 13. Look number 13 takes us to Spain, and Zendaya leaning all the way into Spider-Man red. She wore a high-neck, sleeveless midi dress from Spanish designer Ernesto Naranjo's Fall 2026 collection, then matched it to the millimeter with red pumps. Rolex, Staffare jewelry, and that's the whole story. Clean, saturated, tonal. Sometimes one bold color head to toe just works. Keep it moving. Look number 14. At number 14, Amsterdam, and Zendaya in Louis Vuitton, straight off Nicolas Ghesquière's Cruise 2027 collection. This is a sharp black jacket with crisp white detailing, styled with bright red shorts, cropped down from the longer Bermuda cut we saw on the runway. White heels, a Rolex, done. It's playful, it's tailored, it's giving Fashion Week street style. And I'm into the confidence of shorts on a press tour. On to the next. Look number 15. Kicking us off at look number 15, Zendaya in Coach, at a German fan event in Berlin. And this one's casual, on purpose. She borrowed straight from World Cup energy, with a red jersey-style shirt, then paired it with a plaid midi skirt from the same brand and pointed-toe brown heels. Is it a showstopper? No, but it's cute. It's sporty, it's a real off-duty celebrity-style moment. And honestly, we needed one breezy fit in this lineup. But buckle up, because it escalates fast from here. Okay, so that's my best dressed Spider-Man. Brand new day 2026 list. Drop your top 3 in the comments. If you love a good red carpet breakdown, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell, because I've got so many more celebrity-style deep dives coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay stylish.